In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add more than one product on Shopify. If you're setting up a new store or expanding your catalog, the quickest way to add multiple items at once is to use Shopify's built-in import tool. It lets you bring in a whole list of products in one go, saving you a ton of time compared to adding them one by one. Start by opening the Shopify website and signing into your store's admin. From your dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and go to Products. This is where your entire catalog lives, and it's also where you'll find the bulk import option. At the top of the products page, click Import. A window will pop up asking you to choose the file that contains your product list. Shopify uses a CSV file for this, which is just a spreadsheet saved in a special format. If your product information is already in a spreadsheet, you can export it as a CSV. If you're starting from scratch, Shopify provides a sample CSV you can use as a template so your columns match what Shopify expects. Before you import, it helps to have the basics covered in that file. Product titles, descriptions, prices, SKUs, inventory quantities, and any variants like size or color. If you want images to come in with the products, include direct links to the images in the Image SRC column. Keep each product on its own row and group variant rows directly under their main product with the same handle so Shopify knows they belong together. Back in the import window, click to select your file and confirm. Shopify will show a quick preview or summary so you can check that the columns line up correctly. If everything looks good, proceed with the import. For large catalogs, this can take a moment. You can keep working in your admin while it runs, and you'll see the new products begin to appear in your products list as the import completes. If Shopify flags any issues, it will tell you which rows need attention. Common fixes include making sure prices are numbers only, inventory fields aren't blank if you track stock, and image links are valid. Update your CSV, then run the import again. And that's it. You've opened the Shopify website, gone to Products, clicked Import, and located your product list to bring everything in at once. With a clean CSV and a quick review, adding more than one product becomes fast, reliable, and repeatable. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building out your store.